This is not Tibet or Himachal or China. What did I found? Wait a minute. Let me show you. The paradise. Thandi beer. It's like a simulation where the imagination of the creator changes very quickly. Look at that narrow street and that house. That house is actually a new built house, and that is a old made house. Look at that. Do you guess the year of manufacturing? You can find any other design, Greek style, British style, Birla style, Tata style, Indian style, Mughal style, each and every style you can think of. Do you think it is a natural calamity or a man-made? Oh, how can I come out of this place now? Oh, we will do the shopping later. First I want to show you guys a very beautiful place, and I am very shameful that we humans used in their shrines, and so I am looking for monastery market near Kashmiri Gate, but somebody told me the market is closed today. Look at the scenic beauty of India's capital, Delhi. Look at the beauty. These strange mountains. Look at that. Do you think it is a natural calamity or a man-made? Oh, how can I come out of this place now? Oh, these are dangerous. A warfare ground. Am I playing Call of Duty? Oh, finally I'm out of this. Finally we had reached the Tibetan market. Oh, it is open. Oh, we will do the shopping later. First I want to show you guys a very beautiful place. Yes, this one. We are still in Delhi, don't worry. This is not Tibet or Himachal or China. We are still in Delhi. Look at that. Look at that, what people are doing here. Delhi is a very strange place. This cow looks horrible from near. So Delhi is a very strange place, as you can see. I think I can remove my mask here as I'm in the area where nobody can contact me. Look at that. So this is also a holy river known as Yamuna River. And I am very shameful that we humans polluted this strange place. In India we used to actually worship rivers, but look at that. What do we worship? We don't practice what we preach. So if you wanna look at this place, you should come at the back side of Monastir Market. You will eventually find this holy place. By seeing this, lot of thoughts emerging in my mind that what can we do for the welfare of this environment, this whole country, maybe this whole humanity. Okay, let's get back into the market. I will show you Bodh temple here and try to show you some stuff if I will buy something from here. So let me give you a little brief about my channel. I am Young Monk, as you can read my name on YouTube. I am new and I'm not a very fluent guy in English. Actually, I am trying to improve my English, and I want to make these videos in English and Hindi also, because I want to reach much more people. So of course there are more rush before the pandemic situation here. This is the Kashmiri Gate, Bodh temple. With time, situations change, everything is evolving or destroying, I don't know, but I used to enjoy Delhi and still enjoying this beautiful and strange place. Also bought a cool party shirt for myself. It is not a mall type of place, it is more like a street bazaar where you can easily bargain. If you are coming outside of India, do bargain here and you will find your thing in a very good price. A must visit place for all of the people who wants to look strange places in a city like Delhi. So the bus stand, the metro station and the bus stand is actually very near to me, but I am choosing another route, the route I came from first, because I found That route is quite strange and I have to record something. So I have to record something in that route if I will do that comfortably. So right now I'm going back to my location. Where did I came from? Why do foreigners attract by India or New Delhi? Because there is new dimensions to their thinking. There are so many type of lives running parallel to each other in country like India, in city like New Delhi. On other hand, you can see very expensive malls, very expensive cars, house, and on the other hand you can see the poverty, see the backflashes of history, of Mughal history, of English history, everything. That's why many people are attracted towards India. Look at that, these are all holy things used in temples, used in their shrines, and you can see the, once again you are seeing the exact opposite, another new dimension. There are roads, main roads, ring roads, everything. And at the same time there are many homeless people who are sleeping like this. It's just not a problem in India. This problem is actually in whole world. They do have problems in America or Europe also. But in India you can find a holy place, a bad place, a politics place, any kind of place at a very unexpected place. Look at that. Look at this house. He's enjoying playing. So cool. So I am nearby Ambedkar University and some institution called Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. This is the, I think, back street or back road of this location. Look at the graffitis. Monkeys behind me. So as you can see, it's like a simulation where the imagination of the creator changes very quickly. Look at that narrow street and that house. That house is actually a new built house, and that is an old made house. Look at that. Do you guess the year of manufacture of this house? Some people made that kind of, and some buildings are same like old. You can find any other design, Greek style, British style, Birla style, Tata style, Indian style, Mughal style, each and every style you can think of. Look at the width of the street. You can hardly ride a bullet into this street. Look at the beauty of this house, man. I really love this old looking structure. Remember, these are old, but actually they are much stronger than today's houses. Today's houses, today's builder made houses. People are doing flooring for the future purpose and for their economy. So these are little farms along their houses, little daily need shops here, and of course this parking is for government institution and universities. Those monkeys actually made the alarm work here. Look at this colony. Oh. I don't know I'm going correct or not. We will find the way, don't worry. But there are so many monkeys here. So if you want to visit this place, this is Indira Gandhi Delhi Technical University for Women. This is Madarsa Road Welfare Association. Madarsa Road Welfare Association near Kashmiri Gate. So I think now it's time to sign off. I am not making these YouTube videos on regular basis, but I will make in future, I think. Please tell me, if you are watching this, what did you feel about these kind of videos? What did I found? Wait a minute, let me show you the paradise. ठंडी बियर क्या? So hello. We had the bad monkey, 100 rupees can, and I did not recommend this, but I will drink it publicly, somehow not in very much public, somewhere spooky. I should hide it under my like this. That's the problem in Delhi. There are people everywhere, in every corner. They are. Look at the place I found. Finally, I'm at Kashmiri Gate Metro. Look at that, how people are sitting with COVID restrictions in this disciplined country. Maintaining social distancing. Once again, I'm back at Kashmiri Gate, and this is not a video reattach or a glitch. Actually, I lost. Wait a minute. Actually, I lost my bag. I forgot to pick up from the checking point, and I came back here at Kashmiri Gate to pick up it twice. Fortunately, I got it back. Yes, under the population of billions, you can find what you lost.